Is it time to buy or sell MicroStrategy Incorporated stock? In this video, we will explore MicroStrategy Incorporated in depth. Our initial report was released on our website on the 7th of April, 2025, and we are here now to offer an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and comprehensive analyses for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Since the 7th of April, 2025, our system has ranked MicroStrategy Incorporated as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.91. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it evolves in the coming days. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of approximately 19.07% over the coming 3 months, with possible returns ranging between -38.12% and -0.364%. In terms of the longer view, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 86.1%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 80.73% to 296.32% over the next year. This would translate to a future price range between $484.60 and $1,062.70. Our latest daily update from MicroStrategy Incorporated includes the headline, High Volatility in MicroStrategy Incorporated Stock Price on Monday, which ended trading at $268.14. The MicroStrategy Incorporated stock price fell by 8.67% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 7th of April, 2025, dropping from $293.61 to $268.14. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 17.81%, reaching a low of $252.60 and a high of $297.60. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 20.13% over that period. Volume increased on the last day by 3 million shares, though this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, suggesting that risk could increase slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 28 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $7.54 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $543, while the lowest was $101. Currently, the price is 50.62%, or $274.86, below the 52-week high of $543, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. MicroStrategy, now known as Strategy Incorporated, is currently facing scrutiny as Bronstein, Gewurz & Grossman, LLC, has announced an investigation into potential claims on behalf of its stockholders. This investigation comes amid significant financial turbulence for the company, which reported nearly $6 billion in losses on its cryptocurrency assets during the first quarter. These developments are likely to exert downward pressure on MSTR's stock price in the short term, as investor confidence may wane in response to the investigation and staggering losses. Additionally, the broader market volatility has caused fluctuations not only in MicroStrategy's stock, but across various sectors. Recently, MSTR shares dropped as much as 12.7%, reflecting ongoing concerns regarding the company's aggressive strategy of leveraging equity and debt to invest further in Bitcoin. A Wall Street analyst has even suggested that investors should consider selling the stock, marking a significant shift in sentiment. In the long term, the underlying risk remains high due to Bitcoin's price volatility, which can dramatically affect financial performance and investor sentiment. While some investors might be attracted to new preferred shares with a 10% yield offered by Strategy, the inherent risks related to cryptocurrency assets could overshadow potential benefits. As a result, investors must stay alert to the unfolding situation, as both legal investigations and financial losses may cast a long shadow over MSTR's recovery prospects. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 1st of April, 2025, it was reported that Mon-Ness assigned a sell grade to MSTR, accompanied by a downgrade action. On Monday, the 10th of March, 2025, Barclays assigned an overweight grade to MSTR, along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 29th of January, 2025, Compass Point assigned a buy grade to MSTR, with an initialize action. On Wednesday, the 20th of November, 2024, BTIG assigned a buy grade to MSTR, along with a hold action. On Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, BTIG again assigned a buy grade to MSTR, accompanied by a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to MicroStrategy Incorporated stock. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is also categorized as sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for MicroStrategy Incorporated. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals. The stock for MicroStrategy Incorporated is showing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook. In the event of upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $291.47 and $290.77. A breakout above any of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, March 25, 2025, and so far the stock has declined by 21.55%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot point is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence indicator. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 30 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 12 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 28 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for MicroStrategy Incorporated. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $250.92 and $250.51. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the stock may decline to the next support level. In this instance, MicroStrategy Incorporated finds support just below today's level at $250.92. If this support is breached, the next level from accumulated volume will be at $250.51 and $239.27. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. And given the large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. Over the previous day, the stock fluctuated by $45, translating to a change of 17.81%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 11.22%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. It is not uncommon for even well-established companies to face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profits and could raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 28th of April, 2025. Analysts currently estimate a consensus figure of negative $0.0233. It's important to monitor these numbers, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroStrategy Incorporated is at $275.15. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroStrategy Incorporated encounters its first support level at $250.92. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroStrategy Incorporated from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Leslie J. Reichin, who bought and sold 34,800 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 12.833. Overall, insiders purchased 323,097 shares and sold 441,226 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is currently no stop loss set. Is MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a good buy? MicroStrategy Incorporated exhibits several negative signals and is currently within a broad and declining trend. As a result, we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our evaluation from a hold accumulate to a strong sell recommendation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 8th of April, we expect MicroStrategy Incorporated to open higher by $4.64, starting at $272.78. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. Best wishes from all of us here at Stock Invest.